So kids, you need to find information about storage devices that were used in the past. So what you will write over here, you will open a Google home page and write storage devices in computers. History. You will get the history of computer storage, pictures also for that, and you will get the memory of and storage, timeline of computer history. There are so many different websites that give you information about such things. So we'll open the first website that we have got. I have opened it over here. Let's see now what information we have got. We need to find out the information for 3 time periods, right? 1970 to 1980, 1980 to 1990, and 1990 to 2000. See, this electron tube has a capacity of 256 to 4096 bits. It is bits. And it was developed in 1946. We don't want 1946. Okay, see, it was punch cards were developed in mid 1970s. So you can take this if you want. This is a picture of punch card. A punch card. You can write the name of this punch card in your notebook. Then write certain information about it. If you want, you can draw the picture. Drawing the picture is not necessary. If you want, you can only write the name of the storage device and information about it. See, there are punch tapes, magnetic drum memory, hard disk drive. So just pay attention to the year. See, this has come in 1980, so you can take this also, the hard disk drive. Then in 1978, laser disc also came, so you can take this for 1970 to 1980 time period. 1990s floppy disk came. There are so many different things you can take up from this website. You can also select a different website. Let's see. Okay, we have this website. Let's see what we have on this. There are so many different things that are given over here. You can see from here also, read certain. Just pay attention to the years. If the year suits your time period, then you can select that storage device and write information about it in your book. You can also check this one. Okay, let's see this one. Timeline of computer history, memory and storage. Okay, see, year is given over here, so this will be easier for you, right? 1951, 52, 53, 56, 59, 61, 62, 63. If you go on like this, we'll reach 1970. Yeah, so this is a memory that was used. Then 1970, there are so many, you can take any one. You don't have to write all of the information, just write 1 or 2 sentences in your notebook, and then you have to take a picture of that device. If you have to take a picture of what you have written in the notebook and upload it on the Padlet link. I hope this was useful.